These are my fig trees. There are two trees planted closer to each other. The difference can be seen. That is one variety, and you can see the leaves of the other variety as well. They are different. They both have fruits. Even now, the second batch of the fruit has grown, but looking at the weather in this country, I don't think it will reach the ripening stage. This is the first batch. And that is the second batch of fruit. A small batch of fig trees which have been grown outside. They have spent a summer outside. They might not survive if they are planted at North Pole, but hopefully they can survive in the weather around Manchester.